Welcome home to this beautifully maintained 5-bed, 4-bath, 3-car garage home. Enter into a foyer on first floor overlooked by an open semicircular stairway which embraces a spacious family room and combined formal dining and living room. A sight line straight through the family room to 3 sliding pocket glass doors that open to the screen-enclosed lanai with saltwater pool. The spacious eat-in gourmet kitchen features double ovens, granite countertops, tiled backsplash, large walk-in pantry, workstation and spacious center island. All GE profile appliances, bisque. An arch passageway leads from the family room to a bedroom/office and pool bath. Adjacent to the bedroom is your utility room with washer and dryer. On the second floor, steps lead right to a large master suite. The large suite's private bath includes dual vanities, duly installed glass enclosed shower, soaker.